Okay, this is lesson 45, classifying quadrilaterals. So quad means four, lateral means side, so quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Remember, it has to be closed, can't have any gaps, can only have straight lines, and it can only be flat and 2D. It can't be like a cube or a pop-up shape. So quadrilaterals can be found in three categories. You can have parallelograms. Those are two pairs of parallel lines. So those two are parallel. Let me do colors. I love my colors. Those two are parallel. And then these two are parallel. Means they're always going to go side by side. They're never going to run into each other no matter how far they go. You can have trapezoids. So a trapezoid has one pair of parallel lines. Those are going to run into each other pretty soon, aren't they? And then a trapezium has no parallel lines. So you've got, those are all quadrilaterals. So they all have four sides. They're all a polygon. Okay. Now we're going to break that parallelogram into more shapes because they have certain categories as well. So a parallelogram, remember that's two pairs of parallel lines, can be a rectangle, a square, or a rhombus, which is kind of a diamond. You can think of it that way. So a rectangle has four congruent angles. So this one, 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 this one. So remember, congruent means same size, same shape. So those angles are all the same, and actually they're all right angles. A rhombus has four congruent sides. So same size, same shape. This one I didn't draw very well. But all of those should be exactly the same length. Okay? And a square is a rectangle and a rhombus. That's pretty cool, huh? So rhombus has four congruent sides. Rectangle has four congruent angles. Does a square have four congruent angles and four congruent sides? Yes. So it can be a rectangle and a square. Can a rectangle ever be a square? Sure. Can a square be a rectangle? So think about when you're drawing these, how you would draw them. Look in the book. The examples are good. I think the flow chart that they have is a little confusing. But just know that we're breaking quadrilaterals into three categories and then breaking parallelograms into three more categories. So square has four congruent sides, four congruent angles. A rectangle just has four congruent angles. Rhombus just has four congruent sides. Do your best with that one. Somehow some of these can trip you up a little bit. You'll tangle yourself up. Good luck.